Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ryan Ridwan. Will be present the 16th meeting. The title is The Authentic Materials for Teaching English to Young Learners, Teachers' Perception by Dian Erlina, Winda Haretno, Muhammad Hollandia, Leni Marzulina, and Herizal. This study aims to find out the teacher's perception toward the use of authentic materials in teaching English to young learners at the Islamic Elementary School in Palembang, South Sumatra, Indonesia. The participants of this research were English teachers from several Islamic elementary schools in Palembang. This research used a qualitative method with descriptive analysis as a research design qualitative research attempt to explain a phenomenon of what the research participant experience, such as behavior, motivation, opinions, reaction, and others. The finding of the study, based on the analysis, researchers found three themes. First, improve students' language ability. Second, increase students' enthusiasm for learning. Third, teachers' difficulty in selecting appropriate authentic materials. The first, improving student language ability. Based on my experience, I learned the correct pronunciation and accent of words after the listen to the original sound of native speakers through song, movies, and audio. For example, the teachers played a short movie with native speakers' pronunciation and asked their students to follow how the native speakers pronounce the word or phrases repeatedly. Second, increasing students' enthusiasm for learning. Most teachers describe that they often use authentic materials in the forms of comics and song that contain short and easy to read sentences with interesting visual image and text used to illustrate the character and context. These illustrations were also helpful for students to identify meanings and emotions through the image in the comics. The students demonstrate curiosity in learning, such as asking questions, giving a response appropriately, and having fun doing classroom activities and tasks. They were interested in the materials and not sleepy during the lesson. The third, facing difficulty in selecting appropriate authentic materials. Some students could understand the materials, while other students could not deal with those materials and finally lost their focus on learning. They didn't understand what the speakers say in the audio. In conclusion, the result of this research indicate that the teachers had a positive perception toward the use of authentic materials in teaching English to young learners at Islamic elementary school. Using authentic English materials help improve students' language ability and increase their enthusiasm for learning. However, the teachers still face some difficulties in selecting the appropriate existing authentic materials for their students. Related to these findings, English teachers would expect the authentic materials more often in teaching learning to young learners as a source of their instructional materials. Then, evaluation, selection, and adaptation of the existing materials were needed to minimize the benefits of using authentic materials for students' English learning. These are required to make sure they will better suit the students' needs and characteristics. School should provide their teachers with supporting facilities and media for enhancing the benefit of using authentic materials in language teaching and learning programs. Additionally, further researchers might explore deeper information about the use of authentic materials in learning in English language teaching and learn in various contexts. That's all for my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.